Just a quickie showing off the master lock I bought from Hints. Nice shot of the shear line here, the drivers, the pins, and also the cam that releases the shackle. Tension wrench is over this side. I'll try not to move too much stuff because you can hardly see it. I'll put the pick in. You should just see it going in. It's actually easier to pick this thing in reverse. I'll get this out. You should just see the pins moving. If you work it to the back, you'll see the pins rising. A little bit of tension. And we'll see if we can get this. You should see that. So go into that, put it in, and should manage to force those things up far enough that it'll.
You should have seen Leonard's experiment. The interference pattern was so cool when the electron beam was on.
There we go. I'll remove the pick from there. Now you should see that all the drivers are up. There's not really much difference in them. There's 1, 2 that travel further, so they'd be the deeper pins. And you'll see the cam moving on that side. As I apply a bit more tension to the wrench, you should see the cam moving and also the barrel moving. There we go. Locks open. I'll push it back in, and at this end you'll see the pin going down. And there you go. Release the tension slightly. This side the barrel should start moving. There we go. And you'll see the drivers falling down. Yeah. There we go.